Hello, everybody. This is Barbara again, bringing you an update on week 5 of my oral tirzepatide treatment from Harry Meds. Before I start, I'd like to say that I'm not a medical professional, and none of what I say here is to be taken as medical advice. The purpose of these sort of weekly podcasts is to update on my journey, and that includes progress and setbacks. My week 5 ended on July 14th, 2024, and this was also the week that I started on the 4 milligram dose of the oral tirzepatide. And I'm going to start by saying that I lost another 1.5 pounds, bringing the total weight loss right now to about 5 pounds since I started. So yay to that. In regards to the medication itself, the pill is now slightly larger. Like when I mean slightly, it's just slightly larger, but it doesn't dissolve as easily. I often find myself having to chew it instead of waiting for it to dissolve naturally because it just takes forever to dissolve. All of the pills now came in a blue bottle, by the way, and they are minty, unlike the 3 milligram ones that were citrusy. And I myself prefer the citrusy ones, not only because of the flavor, but because they dissolved a lot easier. And I'm not a fan of mint. Because they don't dissolve as easily, I usually have to wash it down with water because it feels like it leaves behind tiny speckles, and it's pretty bothersome on the throat. So I usually have to wash it down with a little bit of water, but I'm still taking them before bed, before I go to sleep. Regarding side effects, I noticed a slight increase in frequent headaches. I can't really say that it's derived from this change in the medication, but it's something to watch for and that I wanted to point out. I also have been feeling a little more tired. But again, I'm not sure if it is associated with the change in the medication or maybe if it's my body adapting to it or whatnot. So for now, I'm going to have to wait and see how it resolves and compare to future weeks. But other than those two things, I don't really have anything else to mention in regards to side effects. And all in all, I feel like the medication is still working as it should. I still have reduced hunger and cravings and that feeling of feeling fuller and longer throughout the day, which helps with the weight loss. On a different note, I had a little hiccup with Harry Meds on the follow-up assessment. I had filled out their questionnaire and I guess it didn't register in their system, which I only came to find out a week later when I was having no communication from them and I was getting a little concerned about possibly having a gap in the medication. So I contacted them again and they resent the questionnaire. I filled it out and a few days later it was approved and it was sent to Epic Scripts to be fulfilled. I was prescribed another 2 months on the 4 milligram dose, and I'm currently awaiting for that prescription to arrive. Going forward, I think I will be organizing these updates bi-weekly to give a broader interval to assess the results. But that is all for today, short and sweet. Thank you for listening again, and if you'd like to continue following for updates, be sure to subscribe to be notified of any new podcasts that I publish. Bye-bye for now.